want to upgrade your Windows from this to this, then yes, you are in the right place. So today in this video I'll be showing you how you can install Windows 11 in your system. It's pretty much easy. If you have got an official update, then hurrah, you're very much lucky. And if you haven't, then I'll be showing you a way that using that you'll be able to install Windows 11 in your system. So before I begin with this video, you make sure to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. And if you want to know more about new technologies, new upcoming technologies, make sure to hit that bell icon too, that you get the notification of my video as early as possible. So now let's begin the video. Coming to our home screen, you just need to open your settings, right? So either you can just go to this window icon and tap over here, setting, and you'll be directed to this page. So here you can see that I've got a upgrade to Windows 11 and it's ready, it's free. Okay, so I can install it from here, or I can just stay in Windows 10 too. But in this video I'll be showing you how to install Windows 11. So yeah, definitely I'll be clicking on download and install. Okay, it's pretty much easy. You can do this from here also. You'll be getting an icon over here. Okay, so you can just click over there and you can just download it from Windows 10. And now for the people who haven't got the notification yet, so for them, go to your browser, search over here Windows 11 upgrade. So the first link, nope, not this one, the second one, yeah, this one. So I'll be clicking over here. We have got three options over here: Windows 11 installation assistant, the create Windows 11 installation media, downloading Windows 11 disk image ISO. Okay, so I'll be explaining each one of you, but let me tell you the most simplest way to install Windows 11 if you haven't got any kind of update yet, then it is this one, the first one, Windows 11 instant installation assistant. Okay, it will make your installation pretty much easier. You can just download it from here. You can just click on download now and boom, everything is done. You'll be getting a ISO file. Now let me show you. If I open this file, Windows installation assistant, if I click on yes, now they are seeing my device compatibility. Now if I click on accept and install, the installation will take place. But since I am already installing the Windows 11, so I will not click on accept and install. I will rather click on decline. And if you haven't got any kind of installation yet of free upgrade for Windows 11 yet, then you can just come over here and you can just click on download now and then boom, everything is done, right? But if you want to make a bootable USB or pen drive, okay, so that is also pretty much easier. You just need to plug in your pen drive and just click on over here download now, create Windows 11 installation media. Okay, so if you click download now, then it will create a ISO, it will create a file in your the drive, in your drive, either C or D drive, and then you can just copy it from there to your pen drive. Okay, and the third way is the disk image, the ISO. This one is usually done in the virtual machine. So if you are using Windows 11 in a virtual machine, then the third option is for yours. Okay, so you can just click over here download and you can just download it in your virtual machine. But I guess you are not using it in your virtual machine, and rather you are using it as your primary operating system, so better go for it. And if you want to install Kali Linux in your virtual machine, then I have got something exciting for you. You just check that I button which is just popping in your screen right now and do watch that video completely till end, then you will be able to install Kali Linux in your virtual machine. Okay, So now lots of people were asking me that if I upgrade to Windows 11, then will my data get erased from the file manager? So let's see, let's see. Okay, so I'm showing you my this PC. So here if you see, then in the Windows C drive, I have used almost 80 to 90 GB of the data of the space, and in the D drive I have used almost 6 to 7 gigs of data, or the space rather. So let's see, after upgrading to Windows 11, does this data get vanishes or not. Okay, so let let me check the percentage of downloading. Okay, 12%. So let me tell you guys, this upgrading requires a lot and lots of data. So before you start this upgrade, make sure that you have a stable internet connection and your laptop is plugged into the main source. Because if by chance your battery is dead, and then lot of malicious activity can just happen in your device. Okay, so it's better to plug your system in and then just go for the update. So it will take roughly around 2 to 3 hours. So I will seeing you after 2 hours. So our download it got started. Now let's see how much time does it takes. It will take roughly around 10 to 12 minutes more, not even 10 minutes, the 5 minutes. Let's skip 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the process. Since the recording got stopped in my PC, so I had to record it with my mobile. So now it is restarting. Since I have got SSD in my laptop, so it will not take much time in booting. Let me show you. So so it is working on the updates. It's saying that please keep your computer on. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, and do remember to plug in the charger, or else if the battery goes off, and then everything will be messed out. So never forget to plug in the charger. And yeah, here it is written your computer may restart a few times. So if your computer also restart for a few times, if your PC or laptop anything, so you do not need to worry, right? It's just some minor updates which are taking place. So the update is 100% completed. Now let's see how much time does it takes preparing Windows. And here it goes. So now let's meet in the PC. So welcome to Windows 11. We are back here. So let me just show you the start menu. Everything is changed, right? Totally different from Windows 10. It looks similar to the Mac, but not exactly similar. But yeah, you can say copy of Mac. No, not copy. Anyways, the Microsoft team has done a great work. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe my channel. If you are new to this channel, do hit that bell icon too to get the information about the video. If you want to know more about the upcoming technologies, make sure to subscribe my channel. So if you want to do a one-on-one talk with me, so you can just join my Discord. I'm always active over there, and if you have any kind of problem, you can share me either in the Discord or in the comment section below. So for till then, goodbye.